don't know how many visits I've paid here now. Quite a lot. I know my husband's the patron, but I might have to nudge him. I quite like to take that one away from him, because it's such a special place that every time I'm asked, I just have to come back again. And I think what's, this wonderful exhibition celebrating women in gardening is so important and so beautifully curated by Claudia. And I know it attracts many, many visitors. I'm sure it's going to attract a lot more, but it is, I'm so glad that you are celebrating all the women who are these great gardeners, because, we do love gardening. Speaking as a gardener myself, and, it's quite often all the men who get celebrated and not the women. So I think you're doing a brilliant job here by showing what they can do. So thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
This is our exhibition. This is Dame Pippa Harris from Charleston.
How are you? How nice to see you again.
Very nice to see you twice in 2 weeks.
Twice in a few Charleston. It was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really exciting.
Any
Any excuse to come back.
Oh,
thanks.
Very nice. Thank you. Claudia, my
Hello, Claudia. How are you?
Curator.
I hear you put the whole thing together.
I did. And so did I hear you're a fan?
I am.
So that's lovely. Yeah, and then I'll take you through the
That's where they have all the operas.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, so that tradition
it's
continues.
still-
It's really lovely little sequence, I think, of Wolf in her introductions. I really love this painting. It's a very strong painting for Brian. And, yes, and there's bold colours. And I think the way in which you can nurture our work is
There's a tiny weed for the Pose and Arthur and the rest. It's difficult getting things to flow at the moment, isn't it? For the room.
It's one of shade.
Ah, we should go smell it, chaps.
It does smell absolutely wonderful. I'm going to have this blue. How are you? It's very lovely.
Stephanie just joined us from the South London Art Gallery, also in development.
Hello,
And
my tribute to your cross.
this is Nilda, our cleaner, who's from Seoul.
Lovely to meet you.
She's Alia, who works in science. Ilya is
Hello. Very nice.